Good morning, K2. I'm so happy to be here with you. It's a brand new day to learn. And this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Tuesday. That's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. That's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. And what month are we in? We are in the month of January. Can you help me read the date? Come on, let's do it together. Today is Tuesday, January 25th, 2022. Now I have a little question. How many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2, super. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. That's right. So let's review our short vowel sounds. Look, we marked it with a happy face. A, apple. E, elephant. What's the elephant say? That's right. I, inchworm. A, ostrich. A, umbrella. Super duper duper. Now, stop, look, and listen. Look who we have here. It's Henrietta Hen. Say hi, Henrietta Hen. Okay, and these are blends. The H blend. Remember the letter H that makes a sound ha, ha, ha. And we put them together with a vowel. Okay, are you ready to read them with me? Here we go. Ha, he, ha, ha. Ha, ha, he, ha. Let's do it one more time. Ha, he, ha, ha. Ha, ha, he, ha. Super duper duper. Now let's look up here on the board and it says ABC 1, 2, 3, page 60. So let's get our ABC 1, 2, 3 book out and let's open it up to page 60. And look who we have here. It's Henrietta Hen. And you can read the blends. They're mixed up. They're in different order than we just saw on our blend poster. But you can learn how to read by learning how to read blends. That's the first step. First, we need to do letters and then blends, okay? So we could say it's the second step. There you go. And it says, read the blend letter. Color the hen. Okay, so what color are we going to color Henrietta Hen? What color is she? She's brown. Oh, that's beautiful. And what color is her apron? Blue. That's right. Okay. And that is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.